Hey, it's Dougie Woods, and in this video, I'm going to show and tell you everything you need to know about creating formulas in Excel in under 60 seconds. So, the first thing you need to know is about using the equal sign. So, when you click on a cell, this is basically how you're going to start your formulas with an equal sign. Then I'm going to select on a cell, in this case B3. And if you notice, the colors are matching. So, that blue color is the same as that blue cell. I can then enter what we refer to as an operator, for example, like a minus symbol. So if I wanted to deduct that cost, that budget from the actual, I then select on C3. And if you notice, C3 is also matching the color now of that cell. So it's easy to tell. Then all I'd need to do is click on enter, and that will then show me the result of this, which in this case would be $55. You can also see your formula in the formula bar across the top, and you can also edit it in that formula bar if you wanted to. Functions will help you save time when creating formulas. So let's say, for example, we've got a table of sort of expenses, and then at the bottom I've got my total. So if I select and I again start with an equal symbol and type in sum and then an open bracket symbol, um, I can then basically select the range of cells, so starting from the very top and then scroll down. And then all I need to do is close this formula with a closed bracket. Again, press enter, and then this will give you your total sum value. If you need more help, this is my top tip. You can find under the File tab and then New, there is actually a template for actually learning more about formulas and getting started with formulas. So go and have a look under the templates area, and that will help you get started. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel and also check out the video on screen for another Microsoft Excel top tip.